jingle bell, math is everywhere. Count and learn and have some fun, numbers here and there. Hey, jingle bell, math is everywhere. Okay. December is a month of celebrations, isn't it? Yes. So this week we are celebrating Math Day. Today our grade 1 students are ready to present a lovely performances on Math Day. So to show how math is fun, so let me invite our grade 1 student Sudhir to host the program. Please give him a big round of applause.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is Sudhir. I'm studying in 1B, the MC of today's Math Day celebration. We celebrate Math Day to remember the great mathematician, Dr. Srinivasa Ramanujan, who was born on 22nd December. He loved numbers and made many new ideas in math. We celebrate this day to show how math is important in our life. We use math when we count, when we add, when we measure, and even when we play. Math helps us to think better, solve problems, and understand the world around us. So today we are celebrating Math Day to enjoy math in a fun way. We will start our program with Fun Shapes Parade. Let us welcome our friends for the Fun Shape Parade.
Marching, dancing, one by one. Shapes on parade, let's all play. Meet new friends along the way. Hey! A circle rolls round and wide, spinning fast from side to side. Square goes marching, nice and neat, with 4 corners on its feet. Hey! Shapes on parade, come join the fun. Marching, dancing, one by one. A triangle twirls with a sing, sing, sing. 3 sharp points and ready to swing. Rectangle claps with a tap, tap, tap. Long and tall in a marching cap. Hey, shapes on parade, now take a bow. We had fun, we're done for now. Hey!
I'm Smarty Square, neat and fair. 4 equal sides. You can find me on a window or a chessboard.
I am Robbie Rectangle, tall and wide, too long, too short, that's my pride. Green board and door look just like me.
I am Tina Triangle, pointy and bright. 3 corners make me look just right. I look like a pizza. I am Lina, circle round and sweet. No corners, no sides. A clock, a coin, that's me. Wasn't that amazing? Now let's move into world of numbers. My friends are ready for the lovely math song. Please enjoy the song in the world of numbers.
Numbers in the sky so high, counting stars as they fly by. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh so far. Math is everywhere for everyone. Math is here, math is there, math is dancing in the air. Add and count, it's always fair. Math is everywhere, oh yeah. Shapes and patterns on the ground, circles, squares, all around. Triangles hiding in the trees. Math is nothing with the bees. Math is here, math is there, math is there. dancing in the air. Add and count, it's always fair. Math is everywhere, oh yeah. The clock tells the time. Rhyme the numbers, make them shine. 1, 2, skip a math. Math is here. And you. Let's clap. Clap, clap. Yes, yes. Math is everywhere, oh yeah. Thank you.
Woo! That was super! Math is really fun, isn't it? Now it's time to dance. Please welcome my friends for the dance. Math I can do.
Math is magic! Numbers here, numbers there. Math is fun, it's everywhere. Add it up, take away. We use math every day. Math is magic! 1, 2, 3, count it out. Come dance with me. Math is magic. 4, 5, 6, solve the puzzle, do some tricks. Trace a C, triangles, squares, circles, spinning in the air. Count the sides, make them neat, dancing to the mathy beat. Math is magic. 1, 2, 3, count it out. Come dance with me. Math is magic. 4, 5, 6, solve the puzzle, do some tricks. Hop on 7, jump to 8. Math will always make you great. Clap on 9, spin on 10. Now let's start it all again. Math is magic. 1, 2, 3, count it out. Come dance with me. Math is magic. 4, 5, 6, solve the puzzle, do some tricks. Math is magic. 1, 2, 3, count it out. Come dance with me. Math is magic. 4, 5, 6, solve the puzzle, do some tricks. Math is magic.
Woo! So energetic performance! So today we learned that math is fun, math is easy, and math is all around us. We thank our teachers for helping us practice, and we thank our friends for performing so nicely. Let us keep learning math with joy and confidence. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, children. Thank you so much. I thank my dear Chaitanya sir, Johita ma'am, Sadat sir, and Sachin sir, and my dear Shalini ma'am for giving us grade 1 the opportunity to perform today. Starting from MC till 3 programs, it was only grade 1. And my dear children, it was so energetic, so confident you all on the stage. And I thank Chetana ma'am and Kumari ma'am for guiding me. I thank Nituna ma'am for helping me for the practice. And my dear children for your joyful and confident performance. Thank you so much, everyone.